In my opinion, this is not really a place for 12 years old girls. Snow, Desi. Woo! That's my boy. All right, hello guys, my name is Doke, and this is Raw Series. Come on. No, don't touch that rock. I'll give you something better. Oh, fucking hell. Ooh. Yeah. You can't eat rocks. Anyways, the thing that I want to try in today's Raw episode is that I'll be painting with ASTRO FAT Caps only. Also, some of you been concerned that since I have my 2 garden walls, I'll be painting just at my studio all the time. Well, as you can see, that's not really the case. I will be painting over there sometimes, but for sure not all the time, because we like to explore, right? So this is the spot where I'll be painting. Leave it, Snow. You're interrupting me. So this is the spot where I'll be painting today. It's a part of the subway station, the spot that you know pretty well. And this is the tunnel. Unfortunately, there are no subways, just pigeons. And yeah, you might remember that I've painted one piece in this tunnel, just one piece. Actually, right now we can try to find the piece. Oh yeah, I see it. See, this is the piece that I painted over here about 2 years ago. It's crossed by some NSP guy. And yeah, if I continue further that way, I would get to the end. But frankly, you wouldn't see a thing, and there is nothing interesting. The tunnel just continues, and then there is a wall, and that's it. So as you already noticed, the problem of this spot is the lack of light. That's why I'm painting right over here, where I can see what I'm actually doing. However, just as I already said, today I'm painting with ASTRO FAT Caps only. You know, this is a skinny cap. Because it makes skinny lines. Then there is a fat cap, which makes fat lines. And then there is ASTRO FAT Cap, which makes pretty fat lines. And so this is the drill. Today, no skinny caps allowed, not even fat caps, just ASTRO FAT Caps. Hell yeah. I forgot the sketch in the car. Woo! That's fat. So far, I love it. Jabam! Oh, someone just bought my merch. Which reminds me that if you wanna get my merch, just as this guy that just bought it. Do it right now, there is a link in the description below. Some sizes are already sold out, so yeah, you know the drill. Snow, button. That was fast. This is gonna be shiny. All right. Snow is like a guardian over there. One outline, one can gone. I'm about to do details now, and I wish I had a skinny cap for them, but well, I don't. Wow. 600 milliliters high pressure bombing can with ASTRO FAT Cap, and I'm about to use it for the tiniest little details. Nah. Alrighty guys, I'm kind of curious how this video is gonna sound, but yeah, hey, anyways, this was fun. I mean, a lot of fun. For sure, painting with such a cap wouldn't be that much fun if I was painting, I don't know, character or something, the Lego from the last video, but painting this. Anyways, guys, if you like what I'm about to show you, thumb up would be awesome. If you want to get the merch, there is a link below, and yeah, this is it.